Hello and welcome to another video of Wisefuss. Ever pondered what words like lions, Mimus, or Crepuscular might evoke visually? Stay tuned as we delve into their meanings and uncover how Midjourney interprets these enigmatic words. Today, we embarked on an exploration using some randomly selected and obscure words from ChatGPT. I prompted these words in Midjourney, specifically in the version 5.2 in various styles to see the visual interpretation they might yield. From the default style to the raw version of 5.2, I experimented with different style codes until stumbling upon ones that caught my eye. While these images might not appear mind-blowing, there are intriguing style codes worth exploring if you fancy them. Understandably, Midjourney might not grasp the meaning of these words, but the outcomes offered surprising and fascinating connections between phonetically similar or interpretively challenging words. The prompts were straightforward, solely the words themselves, supplemented by Sage 777 to maintain consistency. Parameters like aspect ratio, AR 9:16, and stylized 1000 were used, emphasizing the unique style code's impact. Before we uncover the intriguing visuals produced for these obscure words, a quick reminder to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. Now, let's dive into the visual journey. Absquatulate, meaning to leave abruptly, resulted in expected outcomes in both default and raw styles. However, the unique style code used for the non-raw version presented a delicate vintage vibe with floral elements that caught my attention. Cacophony, describing a harsh mixture of sounds, yielded chaotic and interesting visuals in both style codes. The raw version in particular showcased detailed, drawn elements that appealed to me. Datian, though not the intended word, brought forth various interpretations, mostly depicting lines. The default style revealed an intriguing line-themed result, while the raw version offered a cartoonish take on lines. HippoCampus, associated with brain functions and seahorses, brought vivid underwater-themed images in both styles. The non-raw style depicted intricate marine details, while the raw style presented seahorse blueprints or sketches. Gentac, referring to breakfast, elicited imagery not directly related to breakfast. Interestingly, the raw style presented stylish male figures, while the non-raw style showcased a captivating swirly design. Limerance, portraying infatuation, mainly brought up lime-related visuals due to Midjourney's recognition. The raw style altered limes into lemons, offering an unexpected twist. Mimus, defining a stubborn error maker, led to interpretations referencing Roman historical figures. Both style codes offered contrasting visual aesthetics, from dreamy to intense coloring. Nan, representing the day before yesterday, prompted more sea-themed visuals, while non-raw style displayed imaginative underwater plants. The raw style crafted unique, enhanced sea creatures. Crepuscular, relating to twilight, generated visually pleasing outcomes. The non-raw style presented futuristic figures, while the raw style offered random yet appealing color schemes. These were the mysterious words and their visual interpretations. Hopefully you gained some new insights. Stay tuned for more content. Thanks for watching, and let's keep prompting for more discoveries ahead.